Hey Lily, how's your week going? It's good, Oliver. I'm feeling pretty positive, actually. Something you said yesterday really stuck with me.
Oh, really? What was that?
You just casually said, I'm proud of you, after I shared a small win at work. It made such a difference to my whole day. It got me thinking about that phrase.
You know, it's interesting, isn't it? It's such a simple collection of words, but it carries so much weight.
Absolutely. It's more than just a compliment. It feels like a genuine acknowledgement of effort, not just the outcome.
Exactly. I think sometimes we reserve it for huge achievements, like graduating or getting a big promotion, but it's just as important for the small daily battles people fight.
Like someone finally starting that new hobby they've been talking about for ages, or just making it through a tough week when they're struggling. That's when it means the most, I think.
For sure. It's not always about the flashy success, but the courage to try, or the resilience to keep going when things get difficult. That's what I often see when I say it to someone.
And it's true. When someone says it to me, especially if it's unexpected, it just gives you this incredible boost. It's like, okay, someone actually sees me and my effort.
Right? It validates your journey. I remember my dad saying it to me after I finally learned to ride a bike without training wheels, even after countless falls. It wasn't a world-changing event, but it meant everything.
That's a perfect example, Oliver. It builds confidence in a way that good job or well done just can't quite capture. It speaks to character.
I agree, and I think we should all try to say it more often. It costs nothing but can truly empower someone and make them feel seen and valued.
Definitely. Imagine a world where we all felt more comfortable expressing that genuine pride in each other. It would be a much more encouraging place.
So next time you see someone putting in the effort or overcoming something, big or small, don't hold back. Let them know you're proud of them.
Excellent point, Oliver. It's a simple phrase, but a powerful gift. Thanks for this chat.
Anytime, Lily. And hey, I'm proud of you for always bringing such great insights to these conversations.
Thanks. Right back at you.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.